Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create day to night transition using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor and I'm going to go to the video and select new to create new project, and you can choose a video you want to edit or the video you want to create day to night transition for, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to change the aspect ratio. Okay, and I'm going to split this video into two parts. I'm just going to split it right here, and I'm going to click on the split button. Okay, and I'm going to create night effect for the second clip, this one. I'm going to go to the adjustment, go to the folder first, and then go to adjust. Okay, and here we can reduce the lightness like this guys, and click on the check mark, and we're going to go to the color curve as well. Wait, I'm going to select the curve and I'm going to reduce the white color to create night effect. Okay, and I'm going to decrease the red color as well, and the blue. Okay, I think it looks good, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks guys. And I'm just going to click on the check mark. Click on the check mark. If you are still not satisfied, you can play around with the color curve and also the lightness. Okay, and now it's time to add transition right here. Click on this option. Wait guys. Okay, and then I'm going to recommend you to choose this kind of transition. Okay, and then you can adjust the duration. Okay, click on the check mark after you have adjusted the duration. Okay guys, and now it's done, and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, that's easy, right? And to make the video more captivating, you can add a music or maybe text, or it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create day to night transition using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.